you want to mount a sniper scope on top of your Windex? I've got to stay in 4 clicks. I'm taking a shot. Staying dead. This guy sneezed. It envelops me, and I'm so annoyed, right? I'm so pissed off at this guy, but I think, you know what? I'm gonna try to be cool. I want to blast this guy right now because he's completely disgusting, but I decided to try to take the high road. So I looked at this guy and I said, God bless you. Yeah, that's what I said. And I said it like that. Did you hear that? I said, God bless you. Which again sounds like God bless you, but has a hint of cover your fucking mouth. You ignoramus. I say God bless you, by the way. I don't say bless you because I'm not the Lord. I can't do that. I'm just a messenger for big guns upstairs here. And who the hell says Gesundheit? It sounds like I'm honoring Hitler or something. Gesundheit! Frühen gleich in das Boot, Volkswagen. God bless you is what I said. I figured he's just going to say thank you and that's going to be the end of it. This is where this entire thing just turns into a debacle. This guy finally turns to me and in such an asshole mood too. He goes, yeah, there's no need. I'm an atheist. Yeah, what a jerk off. It's like, I'm trying to be nice. I don't know you're an atheist. And even if I did know you were an atheist, what am I supposed to say when an atheist sneezes? When you die, nothing happens. Getting into a religious debate with this guy. He's questioning me. He's like, what do you believe in? What do you believe happens to you when you die? I said, well, you know, I grew up Catholic, so hopefully, yes. Peace be with you, and also with you. Lift up your hearts. I've been there every Sunday. I got the Christ checks. I was there. It's a miracle in a bowl. So I tell him, I go, hopefully, you know, my soul will leave my body, go to heaven, and I'll be reunited with my family. He's laughing. This guy's actually laughing. He's scoffing at me. He's like, oh, this is what you believe this. So I feel like, you know, I'm cornered. So I snap back at him. What about you, Mr. Atheist? What do you believe in really happens to you when you die? Now this guy gets very serious, like he's going to school me. He looks at me and he goes, oh, I'll tell you. I know what's going to happen to me when I die. When I die, my body will become one with this earth. And with that, I will become a fertilizer for this land. And through that, I will return as a huge, beautiful tree. That's what this guy believes. He's laughing at my beliefs, yet he's gonna come back as a fucking ficus, and I'm funny. Johnny Weeping Willow over here. But I let it sink in, I let it settle in, and you know what, I hope you guys do. I hope when this guy dies, I hope he does become a tree. And I hope while he's in the middle of the woods doing his little tree thing with the breezes, wouldn't it be great if a giant sweaty guy with an axe came through the woods, sees him, cuts him down,